Here we go once again, guys. Stanley King here. Another single track Saturday. This is a cool little hill here. Flying the Sky DO2, tracking my KTM 300. Awesome to watch this drone just track and stay on course. I've got a beacon on my handlebars, and this drone, what it does is it connects up by, obviously by a GPS, syncs up, and then the camera actually scans me, and the camera stays on me while the drone tracks the beacon, which is kind of cool. So that's why I'm able to stay in frame all the time. Anyway, this is a big, gnarly, rocky uphill. This one's pretty tough. Dude behind me is an expert rider. You'll see he overtakes me here in a second, like on a gnarly step up. I wish the camera was filming from the other side. Watch this, this is crazy. I don't even know how he did that. He just went right past me. That was tough. I got caught up on that ledge, and that was rough. Anyway, normally we usually go down this sucker, and the challenge was thrown down to go up it. I'd never done it before, so this was my first time. I knew we were gonna make it fine, but man, my arms are burning. I got that arm pump going, and sometimes you hold your breath. It's stupid. You just got to breathe. But at any rate, really cool ride. Views were unbelievable. It's just so awesome to get out and ride. Anyway, sit back, enjoy the ride, and yeah, I'll be out there again next week for sure. All right, guys, take it easy. Enjoy it.